In this lecture, we'll be taking a look at how we can get the latitude and longitude of the current location. Now, in order to do that, I have taken the same example from the previous video, and here you can see that most of the code stuff looks exactly the same. The only change that you'll find is over here. So what we're exactly doing, we were calling this function called initializer. Now the initializer gets called and it checks whether the geolocation API is supported or not, and if that's supported, obviously this variable will have some object, and here's what we are doing. We're calling get current position on geo. So geolocation API basically provides this function. We're calling geo.getCurrentPosition, and this is the callback function which gets called. Now once this function gets called, you can see we have defined it over here. Get coordinates, it returns us the position. Now the position has coordinates latitude and coordinates longitude. We access it by typing position.coords.latitude and then position.coords.longitude. And here all I'm doing is I'm just printing it in the console log. So you can see that it's pretty straightforward to get the current location. Let's save this file and run it in browser. Now, as in the introductory videos, we mentioned that whenever you'll be accessing the geolocation API, it will first of all ask you permission, and that's what it's doing over here when we are trying to fetch the current location. Let me open up the console log as well. So here we have our console, and if I allow it over here, you can see that the latitude value is mentioned over here and the longitude as well. So that's how we fetch current location coordinates using HTML5 Geolocation API